Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set timing belt Kia Rio 2004, updated. Begin by parking on a level surface and securing the car with chocks. Wear gloves and safety glasses, then disconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove the accessory belt, crank pulley, and timing cover to expose the timing belt. Inspect tensioner and idler for wear and replace if needed before proceeding to alignment steps. Set engine to top dead center on cylinder 1 and verify the crankshaft mark lines up with the block mark. Confirm both camshaft marks match their respective reference points after setting cams to their timing positions. Maintain tension on the belt side opposite the tensioner while slipping the new belt over the sprockets. Double check marks once installed and rotate the engine by hand 2 full revolutions to verify correct timing. With the belt installed, set the tensioner to the specified preload or deflection and secure the tensioner bolt. Slowly rotate the crankshaft 2 full turns clockwise to settle the belt and then recheck all timing marks for perfect alignment. If any mark shifted, loosen and repeat the process until marks hold under rotation. Reinstall timing cover, crank pulley, and accessory belt, then reconnect the battery and prepare for initial start checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.